channel. I'm Annalisa, and today I will be making some delicious buttermilk waffles. These waffles are amazing because they're warm, they're buttery, they're crispy, and they're everything that you want in a waffle. My best friends have been begging me to make this recipe. They say they are waffle-y good. Anyways,
let's go to work.
So we're gonna start by sifting all of our dry ingredients together. I have flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and some cinnamon. So now we're going to combine all of our wet ingredients. So I have some melted butter, some buttermilk, some egg yolks, I have 3, some sugar, and what really makes these waffles pop, some vanilla extract, almond extract, and maple extract. Now we're going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients. Before we continue, make sure that you preheat your waffle iron to medium heat. So now we're going to whip the egg whites on medium speed. So now we're going to gently fold the egg whites into the batter. Make sure that you don't overmix it. Now that your batter has been completed, you're going to spoon in 1/4 cup increments of the batter into your waffle iron. Waffles, Milo?
I always want food.
Okay, you look tired. You look tired.
I've been playing with Mom. Bye.
Let's try these. These are so good. They're nice and buttery, and they're warm, and they have this nice flavor that's added to it because of the cinnamon and the vanilla and the almond and the maple. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure that you share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.